Hello to this stuff, DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a tiny haul from PerriAnnsArtsNthings online, and I'm just, she got a package nice and bubble wrap, or her sticker right there for the Etsy channel. Oops, sorry about all that sound. There's a card. I don't get anything from them. I just shop. And they always give you a little goodie. So this is from Bo Bunny. I'm trying to think which collection this was. Sunshine Bliss. It's a little chipboard set as a freebie. I just ordered a couple dies that were on clearance. So the Little Bee, I love the way Little Bee packages their dies. Oh. So this is the beach one, and this is a 10-piece set. You've got the word beach, you got a starfish, a sunglasses, seashell, waves, a shovel, a beach ball, a bucket, and an umbrella. So for that 10-piece set, it was like $4. And I think 49 cents. And this, and that one is called Beach. And then this is a 12-piece set, Spring, for the same price, $4.49. And it says, where spring, sun is inside the sun, a flower, another flower, a bird. This is showers in a cloud, a butterfly, grass, a smile, another flower, bloom, and another butterfly. Doesn't have anything seasonal like those that were in dyes. And then the last couple of ones, I got, this one says, today, status, remember to do, event, important, love, this, and note. Recollections. And this one is another planner one. And that was a 10-piece set. This is an 18-piece set. And I think these were $3. And this says to do. It's got a smiley face, lift weights, you know, different things, the little checklist. I like the banners for the checklist that you can use to add into your own planner. Sorry about that sheen. They're in the plastic. And this one was another planner one by Kate Mazzaro. And this one is SIGZIG number 661971. 12-piece set. Health and Fitness Planner. So again, it's the stamps and the dies. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 dies. Oh, that right there, 12 dies and 9 stamps. I'm like, how's it a 12-piece set? It's 12 dies, but it's also 9 stamps, so you can kind of see that. This is really for my daughter. I don't know if she's going to use it, but because she doesn't have a die set, but she can use mine, of course. But she works out religiously, so I'm just thinking that might be for her. Well, I'll make them for her and give them to her. Excuse my voice. It's early in the morning. And this is really where I was placing the orders because I wanted this stamp. And this was like, I don't know, it was cheaper than Tuesday morning. I think it was $3.99. That's the Veil collection by Tonic Studios. And that was the only one. So I wanted to get it before it was gone. Anyway, so thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. Check out their channel. They have a lot of stuff that you see on Tuesday morning that you might miss. They're typically in her store, and they're very affordably priced, and they ship fast. All right, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.